on our way to Santa Rosa to meet up with kuan igagaw ni Jerry nga si Clifford and his wife.
Family yan.
Oh, daghan sila?
Yung anak.
Oh. We are to cross the bridge. Grabe ka traffic. Well, di good grabe di ay. Traffic lang siya.
Oh girl.
Go girl, kaya mo yan.
Gani hayag kayo ron. May fog. Kita. Ang sakit sa ron.
Today is July 20. Here goes.
Hey, Golden Gate. Driving through it.
Fairness, nindot yun ni Daring weather man. We don't cross the bridge that often, so adong ni siya North Bay, so kuha gid mig video usually.
Tuloy.
Ingon si Rado.
Dire, best ng point din. Play pa, dagan man tao. Basin ka ng kuwan na. Puno na o parking ba? Puno na o park ba?
Alright, we crossed the bridge now.
Just the point, bus is only. Bus lang sila lang.
Ah.